Hi guys, what's up? This is Claudio, Barba, motion designer from Brussels, Belgium, Europe. So today I would like to show you which is the standard tool in Windows 10 to do video editing. It's a really basic tool, but it's for free. It's out of the box. If it's already available on your PC, if you have the latest version of Windows 10, it's quite easy to use. But yeah, it will be useful only if you just need to do some very easy editing, but nothing more than that. I will show you how it looks. So first of all, you need to go to the menu and type video editor and click on the link. So here is the tool. It opens like this. If this is the first time you use this tool, what you have to do is just new video project, and then you just give a name to new video, new video will be fine. And then you have the screen is divided in three main parts. On the left, top left, you have the project library. There you will put all the photos and videos that you will later want to edit. On the upper right side, you have the video preview, while on the bottom side you have the storyboard, which is where you will put once after the other your photos and your videos. So let's add. I prepared for you some videos for the test today, and let's add them to the project library. Once you've done this, you just can move the first video to the storyboard, and then you can move the second video to the storyboard, and you see that on the preview it has just added the two videos one after the other. I didn't see the possibility to do some transitions, so let me know if you know how to do transitions on this video editor, but I couldn't find any possibility for that. But what you can do instead is, for instance, to add a custom audio. So let's say that we want to add an audio file, and I've prepared some audio files in here. So let's say that I want to add a call music at the beginning, like this. Voila. Then we can say that we want to add another. You can use this small ball here to move the positions in the video. It's the timeline selector, and then you can add other audio files, and voila, this is the third one I wanted to add. Okay, so and then let's say that I want to add so let's say this is done, and then between the two videos I can add, for instance, a title card. Which a title card is just a screen with some text in it. So let's say that the story is that this guy is sleeping. So at the beginning the video starts with this beautiful girl, and then with taking a bath, and then you have a title card with some text on it. So if you want to add some text, you just click here, and you can choose. You have some possibilities in here. This one is very nice. I like it. So you can just add the text. Wake up, dude. Wake up. No, wait. You wake up. And yeah, you can see that you have different styles. But I like this one, which is very immediate to read and very funny. So you can put it in different positions wherever you like, but it's predefined position, so you cannot really modify it. You can also set the duration of the text. For instance, it's 3 seconds by default. Okay. So if let's say that after that you want to synchronize the video with the audio. So what I wanted is, if I had the chicken, which is the fun part, be at the end, and then we have in here the first, and then we can put the alarm. I imported twice this one, that was the problem. So how do you delete? Like this? Yeah, like this. You just delete the file if you want to delete it. I want to add the annoying alarm clock, and let's put it where the in here, right here. So, and then the music we just before the alarm, but the alarm doesn't have to last too much. Okay, so normally if you it should be saving automatically, I think. I don't know why it's not showing here. It's not really perfect, this this software. I refresh. No, it's not showing. Anyway. So, I lost my video. Okay, looks like there are some problems with let's open it again. Let's see if we can get it again. Aha, here it is now. So let's open it again, and then what we can do is just see the preview. Here we have the girl with the nice background music. This part is a little bit too long. We should trim it. I'll show you how we can trim a video as well if it's too long. Alarm! Wake up, dude! You're just trimming. Ah, yeah, day is starting. So that's it. So you have seen how you can add audio to the videos, how you can put one video after the other, how you can add a title card. It's not really powerful. It's not powerful at all because, as you see, you have no way to add transitions between videos. But you, for instance, you can just sometimes the video gets black. Don't ask me why. But if you want, you can trim. For instance, the first video was too long. Let's say that we want it to be shorter. So you click on trim. Then in here you just select the part of the video that you want to use. Let's say this 14 seconds, almost 15. It's okay, then done. You see the video length of the video is already much shorter. Well, let's see what happened with the audio. You see that's the problem. The audio is still following the previous length, so it's not mapped on the single video, but it's mapped on the length of the video. But so as we cut most of the first video, we had to redo all the audio synchronization. It's not a big problem. It's just that we need to know. So first advice is to trim your videos before doing the audio editing. And so let's put it like this pump, and this is going here, and then 3 seconds there. Okay, and this is going like this. So let's see how it's doing. Alarm! Wake up! Yeah! And that's it. So as you can see, you cannot change the volume of the audio. It looks so you have to be the audio. You cannot say that at the end of the music to fade out, but no, it's not possible in this looks. Let me know if you know a way to do it. Okay, that's it, done. And yeah, that's it. What can we see? There is some nice things that you can also do, which is this 3D effects. You can add, for instance, butterflies. So let's see, you can set the duration of the butterflies, and then they are coming. Oh, very nice. A lot of butterflies in the bathroom. It's not really cool, but yeah, this is the kind of things that you can do. But you can also choose other effects. There are plenty of effects. You can use explosions, but let's say we are fine with the butterflies. You can also add some of the things. If you, for instance, you don't have images that you want to add at the beginning or at the end, you just select here add from the web, and the video editor proposes you Bing search with a lot of categories. So you can say woman taking bath. Let's see what you see. You have so many possibilities in here. You can select the Creative Commons only, so that it only selects images that you can use for free. And so yeah, you can take let's take what a funny one. What could be? I don't know. I like this one. So and insert one. You see, and then you can insert, for instance, at the end. Yeah, and that's it. And the standard duration for the photos is 3 seconds, but you can modify it if you like. So you can set whatever you want here. You can also do operations on 2 or 3. If you had 2 photos, you could set the duration for the 2 together, just selecting the photo on the bottom here on the storyboard, and that's it. And once you are done, you can just click on finish video, and this will export your video in I don't know, maybe MP4 format. Let's say high resolutions, 1080 export, and that's it. Yeah, new video.mp4 export. It already exists because I've done some other tests, but yeah, that's it. And that's it. You can just this is the kind of things that you can do. You see here is the video we have just created. As you can see, as you could see, there are a lot of bugs. There are not a lot of possibilities, but it can be pretty funny if you just want to. If you don't have to do professional works, and you just want to put in one after the others 2-3 photos or a video you did with your video camera. You can use some nice 3D effects. You can add some audio, but yes, you are anyway very limited because you cannot fade in, fade out the music. You don't have transitions and yeah, many other things. It's not really, not even, you cannot even compare it to professional video editing tools like Adobe Premiere or the other video editors. It's really best. It's a kind of tool that you could see on your mobile phone actually, but it's available on your PC on Windows 10 and it's for free. So this is my review for this software. Let's see if with the next versions they will fix some of the bugs. I don't know, maybe it just depends on my PC, but as I said, I just wanted to review with you this video editor for Windows 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will be useful for you, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Do not hesitate to subscribe if you want to see more videos. I will very soon prepare some videos also on more professional video editors like the one I'm using more often. That's it for today. Thank you very much and see you soon.